really thought you'd given up on me. But I've just got to say, I'm pretty glad you answered. I'm one of 46,000 young people who are right now calling out for help.
I guess we're all at risk.
Some of us have been kicked out of homes.
Some of us have been abused.
Some of us try and try, but we just can't find work.
There's 3 times as many of us as phone booths. And we're just as invisible.
We're all fighting to do a bit better with our lives. So just imagine what we'd be able to do with the help of people like you. Those people who listened.
Hey, but before you go,
I just want to say thanks for answering the call. If you'd like to do a little more and you're over 18,
You can go to whitelion.org.au to donate and help write the story for young Aussies like me.